So, emoji of mountain from Eric. I love that. Let's go. People's person because I lived and worked in 6 different countries. Big picture and technology. I love technology. I feel that AI and employees should have a symbiotic relationship. The relationship that can make people more creative in the way they approach the problems. You know that most important skill that employees, or rather all of us should have, is an ability to ask right questions. We developed our own internal tool called Chat at Renault. Apart from that, almost 43,000 employees of Renault Group are trained on basics of AI. About 7,000 have completed the detailed AI masterclass, and 200 skippers are trained to support their colleagues. We aim to create seamless employee digital experience in Renault Group, and we call it DEX. Renault Group's digital employee experience focuses on simplifying day-to-day work for every employee. We conducted a survey to understand what problems employees are facing, and through this initiative of DEX, we are trying to address those problems. My vision is that employees should be able to do their day-to-day work within different applications using simple sentences and in a single screen.
Gauri, when did AI surprise you in your daily work?
Frederick, that's a very good question. One of our employees with ADHD condition found that using AI simplified her day-to-day life. She could write emails, prepare documents, and even workshops at ease. This improvement in the productivity was noticed by her managers as her colleagues. It's my honor to choose an emoji for one and only Luke Julia. Of course, I created it using AI and I call it Charisma. It symbolizes the pioneering work that Luke is doing in AI, voice technology, as well as smart features in our cars. It's over to you, Luke.